Okay, so check it out. We've got this client coming in for his annual health check, his tire rotation and alignment. He originally got his tank coilovers installed at another shop. He came to us last year so that we could fix his ride height and figure out what was kind of odd about it. So we made some corrections to it. The other shop had forgot to install a rubber isolator on the rear spring height adjuster. So we got that back into it. Then again, he wanted to come back, after a year so that he could get his, tire rotation and alignment done, like I said. For shoots and giggles, we went ahead. This thing only has 29,000 miles or so. We went ahead and aligned it first to get a baseline number. And then we went ahead and replaced his lateral link bushings. You can see that they are already tearing here. And when you turn the steering wheel, you can really see it. And then even on this other side, they are starting to tear and stretch out over here. So we went ahead and replaced those with MVP lower control arm bearings, as you can see right here. And the purpose of this video is let's see how much the toe values changed with those bearings versus the OEM ones that are slightly compromised. I'm really curious to see if the ride height changes with these bearings, as well as what his toe values have become now that that thing is perfectly centered, since it is a bearing and not a bushing. So let's show you guys the results. Okay, so the ride height didn't really change, and this is where we had set his toe initially. So we had 12 hundredths of total toe. We're only going to look at total toe right now in the event that the steering wheel is slightly in a different position. So let's just look at total toe, not independent left and right. Now, currently, before we've reset his front toe, his total toe is at negative 300. So it has changed almost by a whole 1/10 of a degree. Yeah, so it's pretty substantial. So we're going to go ahead and fix his toe right now. And this goes to show that there's a lot of flex in those rubber bushings. And this is without the vehicle even moving. This is with it being static. Imagine under movement how much that thing will flex. And with these MVP bearings, that thing will stay way, way more solid. You won't have as much deflection, which is great for your tire wear and great for your steering response and predictability. All right, guys, there you go. Links in the description below for the products.